Creating a custom theme for PrestaShop lets you personalize your store's design and layout. Here's a quick guide on how to create one. Set up your environment. Make sure PrestaShop is installed and running locally or on a server. Familiarize yourself with PrestaShop's file structure, especially the themes folder where themes are stored. Create a new theme folder. In the themes directory, create a new folder for your theme. Copy the classic theme folder as a base to ensure all necessary files are included. Edit theme settings. Inside your theme folder, open the config/theme.yml file. Update the theme name, description, and version. This file tells PrestaShop about your theme and its configurations. Customize templates and CSS. Edit the TPL files in the templates folder to change layouts. Use the assets/CSS folder for custom styles, where you can modify or add CSS files. Update the assets/JS folder if you want custom JavaScript. Activate the theme. In PrestaShop's admin, go to Design, Theme and Logo and select your theme to activate it. Test and refine. Preview your store to check changes, refine styles, and test responsiveness.